Hello, good people. I've got some exciting news to share in my Skool community, and I wanted to share with you all as well. So here's the deal. In our community, we've got courses on Google Ads, Meta Ads, automation AI, obviously. We've got GoHighLevel courses as well. Now, we are making some changes, but the changes will be done in a way that will maximize the learning and the support that everyone's getting in the community. Now, the first update is on the Google Ad course. We are basically revising the Google Search PPC ad course we have. We will update that, and this time we will include more live campaign walkthroughs. So I will be showing you throughout the entire course in different modules how we manage our clients' campaigns, how we create successful campaigns like them, and how we generate lots of leads. One more thing we are doing is we are using more AI agents in this course now. So we will be showing you how to use ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini to get as much help as possible in creating and managing and scaling these campaigns. The next one is the Meta Ad course update. Again, it will be updated based on the recent trends, based on what I've learned so far, managing around like 300 or more than 300 accounts and generating leads for them. Also, we will be relying more on AI to generate the ads, managing the ads and stuff like that. Now, one of the biggest updates is the new GoHighLevel course. This will be a brand new course. That's not my 14-day GoHighLevel course where I show you how to become an expert in GoHighLevel in 14 days or anything that we have regarding GoHighLevel inside my Skool community. This will be entirely different. So we are launching a brand new high-level course only exclusive to the Skool members. It won't be exclusive anywhere else, like it won't be available outside. This will be a beginner to advanced approach, very important. We will set up the foundations. We will also talk about the advanced implementations. So not only will you be able to set up GoHighLevel for yourself or your clients, but also you will be able to see how the systems are made for any business. By the end of this course, you will know how to do that as well. On top of that, we have 2 new weekly Q&A calls. Right now, we have 1 weekly Q&A where you can jump in, you can ask me questions and get your issues resolved. If you have any questions about your campaign or GoHighLevel or agency or business, anything digital marketing related, I try my best to help you out on a Zoom call. But now we will have 2 new weekly calls, one on Tuesday, another one on Thursday, and it will be on 5 p.m. UK time. It will be probably 12 p.m. Eastern time, and you can figure out the rest of the time zones. But yeah, this will be basically a new huge update that will definitely help you. If you are not able to join the first one, you can definitely make time for the second one. That's basically the idea. And then we have the brand new assets being added to the resources section. We have a resources area where I upload the stuff that I use in my regular day-to-day work, like prompts, templates, wireframes, obviously snapshots. So we will be adding some basic to advanced snapshots along with the installation tutorials. So they're not just snapshots that you will get installed in your account and figure out for yourself. I will show you how to use it in the best way possible. All these changes that I'm doing right now in the community is just so I could make sure that you are getting the maximum amount of value from the group. And also my goal is always to give you a learning hub plus a constant support hub. So you can learn whatever you want from the group. At the same time, you can reach out to me. You can get direct access to me and ask me questions and get your issues resolved without spending thousands of dollars. So with that said, if you want to join right now, there's a link in the description. I will definitely increase the price. So I want you to join before that happens, and I will see you on the next one.